Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest version for the earbuds. So go to the Xiaomi Earbuds application. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see the same menu and you need to scroll down. Right here we have update firmware, tap at this line, but you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. Then tap on it if you have the same information, if you it means that you have the latest version. If you haven't, you can enter inside and update it. Also, I recommend it to check if you have the latest version for your phone. So go to the settings and check it. Next, also in the application, I recommend it to go to the additional settings and disable dual connection, because with dual connection you may have connection instability. And also in the application we have spatial audio. You need to go to the audio effects. Right here we have immersive sound, and you need to disable it, because with the spatial audio you can also make connection instability. Now, if it didn't help you, next step I recommend to perform a soft reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and you will reconnect them with the phone. If the soft reset also didn't help you, I recommend to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. At the bottom we have connectional button, and you need to press and hold the disconnectional button for at least 10 seconds. Firstly, start blinking white. Don't worry, it's okay. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. So firstly we need to remove them. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, or if you haven't this button, because not all Android phones have this button, try to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return. Right now on iOS 26 it doesn't work, so maybe they will fix it in the future, I don't know. So after factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, and you need to tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!